Planning meals on a budget often feels like a puzzle, but AI is making it simpler. By analyzing grocery prices, seasonal produce, and what's already in the fridge, AI assistants can suggest recipes that use leftovers creatively. Instead of letting that roast chicken sit forgotten, the AI might propose a hearty soup or a zesty wrap. It can also generate a weekly menu based on a set spending limit, adjusting portions and ingredients to avoid waste. Some apps even track expiration dates, sending reminders to use items before they spoil. This approach not only cuts costs, but also adds variety to meals without extra effort. The key is to treat AI as a collaborative planner, not a replacement for personal taste. Start with a simple prompt like, plan 5 dinners under $20 using rice and beans, and see how it transforms your grocery run. The takeaway: AI turns meal planning into a data-driven, creative challenge that saves money and reduces waste.